Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to set Pinterest so you can receive messages only from people you follow directly in your inbox. This updated method is simple and ensures you stay connected with those you care about on Pinterest without clutter from unknown senders. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where you manage your boards, pins, and settings. Next, look for the option called Social Permissions. This is where Pinterest lets you control who can interact with you and how. Tap on Social Permissions to open up the settings related to your social interactions. After that, you'll see Message Settings. This section is dedicated to managing who can send you messages and where those messages appear. Tap on Message Settings to proceed. Now, you'll find an option labeled Following. This setting allows you to specify that only the people you follow can send you messages. Select Following, and then choose Inbox. This means messages from people you follow will go straight to your inbox, making it easy to keep track of conversations with your favorite Pinterest connections. By following these steps, you ensure your Pinterest messaging experience is streamlined and focused on your network. You won't miss important messages from people you follow, and you avoid unnecessary messages from others. That's it. With just a few taps, you've customized your Pinterest messaging preferences to suit your needs perfectly. Enjoy a more organized and personal Pinterest experience, staying connected with the people who matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips and updates on how to get the most out of your favorite apps. Happy pinning!